Okay. So running again, still tagged out at 6.8 volts, 500 milliamperes is your, we'll call it normal speed, normal 550 milliamperes would be idle, and when you slap Wi-Fi on, see, I just jumped up right there. And remember, this is Wi-Fi with should be Wi-Fi with my transmit power set to 20. And let's see if we can notice a difference, which means I have to turn this back up to 100. We established that 100 was what we had before. Thank you. And let's go ahead and open up a browser, and you got to stand on the video to see different numbers. So now you can see that the amount of power being drained does not seem to be a big difference, because yeah, this is the one that wouldn't play. Cancel. So you can go back. Wi-Fi is jumping all over the place. Hit that. Let's try expire again. So we're just running through them just to get an idea of how these are performing. It's kind of slow on the reaction time that time. 888. Wi-Fi should be pinging 830, 840, 857, 663. There, it gives you an idea of how much juice